Well, over the past couple of days, I've managed to complete the assembly of this 10.1-inch handheld gaming device. Today, I'll be filming a video to introduce a handheld gaming device, specifically one with a 4070 wireless setup. We'll start by taking a detailed look at its configurations. Its processor is an AMD R78845H CPU with 780M integrated graphics, and it has 32GB of DDR5 5600MHz memory. Its graphics card is an 8GB 4070 model. The screen, specifically a 10.1-inch display from BOE, this particular machine is outfitted with a 4TB hard drive, consisting of two 2TB sticks. Alright, let's now examine the external appearance of this machine. We'll take another look for the benefit of any new viewers. This is the 10.1-inch model, and at the top, a cooling vent, a DC power supply, HDMI, a Thunderbolt port. This shouldn't be called Thunderbolt. For AMD, it should be called USB 4. This is a power switch, and this is a performance mode button. Two linear triggers, two shoulder buttons, and on the front we have two joysticks. The directional pad, A, B, X, Y, and then this is a dedicated button. Since we've already installed Steam, you can simply press this to launch the Steam application. Alright, and over here we've got a Windows key and a one-touch button to return to the desktop. We also have volume up and volume down. These are the two function buttons for the controller. Below them are the two speaker outlets. There is nothing on the bottom and nothing on the side either, so this is. The grip itself has a good depth, so it feels quite comfortable to hold. Additionally, on the rear of the device, you'll find two additional USB ports, which are USB 2.0 connections. So that's what it looks like from the outside. Next up, we're going to shoot some performance test videos of a few games to really see how it handles itself.
Interesting. Very interesting indeed. So, that's how it is. Got it? Got it.
Just relax. You're very brave. Oh, look. Hey there. You're about to dive into some exciting content, so stay tuned. Me?
Still want me to tie to the boat?
Definitely check this out. Look at me.
Okay.
Give it a second. Okay.
Okay.
See how parts of it are glowing? Those are its big spots.
Alright, I love you.
Woohoo. That's exactly what I'm talking about. I'm super excited and hyped up. Woohoo. I'm so hyped. Woohoo.
Another one's coming.
Alright, let's get to it.